What up, mga solid subscribers, no? So, ngayon, meron tayo papanoorin ngayon, guys, no? This is from Jiro Pages, no? SB19 reactions to former haters confession letter, no? So, panoorin natin to, guys, no? Ano kaya reaction ng SB19 dito, no? So, very big shoutout kay Jiro Pages, guys. So, ulitin ko po, no? Kanya po itong video na ating papanoorin, okay?
But eventually became a fan? What made SB19 flash such huge smiles at an event last night? Online, we've been seeing more and more haters turning into proud SB19 fans.
Silent basher at inaasar pa ang mga kapatid ko before. Bakit fan sila ng feeling K-pop? Ngayon, taga-announce na ng ganap ng 5.
From a skeptic to a superfan, here's B. Lin openly sharing her experience when she saw SB19 and realizing she's been wrong about doubting them.
Parang sinopla niyo ako. Ganyan ang tingin mo sa amin Parang ganyan. Para ako pinagsasampal ng maraming beses.
This was after seeing SB19 perform live, and now she's a superfan.
Ang galing-galing niyo, sobra. Perform live. Pabilib niyo ako ng gusto. As in super highest level.
We had to look back at this moment because last night, something special happened. SB19 was able to publicly read a heartfelt confession from a former hater who has now become a fan.
Honest, Mahalima, I was converted from a basher to a fan real quick. Basher!
You could clearly see the sparkle in the members' eyes as they learned about this fan's journey. And honestly, we couldn't agree more with that fan's sentiments.
Dati, hindi ko gets ang hype sa inyo. Pero ang hirap nyo palang hindi mahalin kapag nakita mo na ang determinasyon nyo.
How about you? Were you once an SB19 skeptic or doubter too? Or have you been a supporter since day one? Either way, have you seen this yet? SB19's breakthrough in Japan is something that will truly shock you.
Okay, panoorin natin yun. Pero guys, explain ko lang sa inyo, no? Hindi po lahat ng tao is kayang maka-absorb ng mga hate, no? Hindi lahat ng tao is kayang matanggap yung tipong hindi sila maapektuhan or parang hayaan na lang nila pag may nambash sa kanila, no? So guys, please be mindful po sa ating mga sasabihin, no? Kung hindi natin gusto ang isang artist, kung hindi natin sila feel, kung hindi natin sila parang gustong pakinggan yung music nila, no? Please iwasan na lang po natin yung mambash sa kanila. Hayaan na lang natin kung yun yung trip nila, kasi lahat tayo, guys, iba-iba po ang taste natin sa music, no? Pero guys, I'm pretty sure, guys, na ibahin natin na excuse me. Paubo tayo. I'm very very sorry, no? So just like still, guys, ako po ay inuubo na rin, masama na rin pakiramdam ko konti, no? So always take your medicine po talaga, guys, no? So yan, ulitin ko, guys, iba-iba tayo ng pinagdadaanan, pero ibahin nyo ang SB19, kasi ang SB19 po is, even though na, alam nyo na, grabe yung mga pinagdaan nila, yung mga bashing, guys. Alam natin before, no, talaga naapektuhan talaga sila, pero pinakita po talaga nila na yung mga basher na yan, yung mga tao na yan, wala sa kanila yan, wala silang pakialam dyan, kasi as long as yung ginagawa nila is yun yung mahal nilang gawin, no? Which is yung pagsasayaw, pag-perform, paggawa ng kanta, no? Yun yung gusto nilang gawin, no? So yung mga basher na yan, okay, sige, andyan kayo, okay, sige, babasahin natin yung mga comments nyo, pero at the same time, susundin namin kung nasa puso namin. Kasi syempre, guys, yung ibang mga basher, guys, kasi kahit pa paano, meron din sila natulong, guys, like, ay, oo nga, no, may mga ganun din pala sila, no? Pero yun yung mga basher na constructive, yung kanilang criticism talaga, guys, no? Yung tipong talagang may laman. Meron kasi ibang basher, guys, na sabihin lang, ay, ano ba yan, ang pangit. Ano ba yan, ang pangit, may kulay buhok. Okay, sige, sige, defend mo. I-explain mo kung bakit pangit yung may kulay buhok, di ba? Meron kasi ibang basher na, ay, ano ba yan, ang pangit, may kulay buhok, Pinoy tayo, ganyan, itim lang, mga ganyan, di ba? Okay, sige, pwede yun. Pero kung hindi naman yun yung parang nasa puso mo na, ay, wala akong pakialam dyan, kahit na sabihin niya, basta ito gusto ko, no, di ba? So, ang sabi ko, sa akin lang, kung magiging basher kayo, dapat panindigan nyo yung sasabihin nyo, no? Like, explain nyo po kung bakit yan. Pero syempre, sana, matigil na rin kahit paano, or umunti rin yung populasyon ng bashers, no? Diba? Ulitin ko sana sa inyo na sana yung mga bashers dyan is tumahimik na lang tayo, hayaan lang po natin umangat yung mga artists, kasi mahirap maging artist or performer or basta sumikat sa mundong to, no? Dahil sa mga basher po talaga, no? Pero syempre kasama na rin yun, no? Sa challenges talaga ng buhay, no? Pero ang SB19 kasi talaga, guys, no? Iba po yung kanilang puso, iba yung kanilang approach pagdating po sa kanilang craft po talaga. Sobrang grabe yung puso nila, no?
This is completely unacceptable. Many 18 online are voicing their outrage after a disturbing experience shared by one fan, Zirkin, at a Ninang store went viral. The post says, "Ninang, please check your branch staff. Your endorsers are being badmouthed inside your own store, and the customer is actually an 18. They're rude." The issue quickly gained traction online, and even Ninang's official account responded immediately with, "Hello, Knock. Thank you so much for helping keep our community safe and guarded. Your concern is heard and duly noted. Kindly send us a message, please. We'd like to ask some questions so we can investigate this situation further." This swift response from the beloved Ninang brand is truly commendable. Let's not forget that SB19 was recently chosen as ambassadors for their newly launched product. What's even worse is that according to Zirkin, the same incident also happened to another fan. Other fans have shared additional details about the issue, but we will not repeat the exact words used to describe SB19, as they were extremely disrespectful, and Mahalima does not deserve such treatment. Other fans are highlighting how grateful they are that the store staff they've encountered in other locations have been exceptional, with high praises and even fangirling with 18 over Mahalima. Luckily, the unfortunate experience seems to be the outlier. It simply doesn't make sense why some people can't show basic kindness. What do you think about Ninang's quick response?
Actually guys, so okay ako sa mga ganyan, yung nagre-response ka agad or binibigyan mo agad ng pansin yung mga ganyan. Kasi meron iba guys na tatahimik na lang, okay sige, hindi na sila bibigyan as long as kumikita tayo, no, di ba? Ganun klaseng bagay guys, no, na nakaka-alarma, no. Pero what's good naman sa mga nangyaring ganito, no, is talagang nag-response po talaga sila, no, and di nila hinayaan na masira rin yung pangalan ng kanilang endorser, no? Kasi tandaan nyo guys, yung endorser nyo, sila po yung mukha nyo, no? Like halimbawa, ako guys, to be honest with you, kunyari, ano ba yan, kunyari, ito, nung nakaraan, kakabili ko lang po ng sapatos po, no? Which is, yun nga, no? Actually, hindi nakaraan, nung bago umalis Steph Curry po sa Under Armour, no? Pagkabili ko, nakita ko na yung balitang paalis na si Steph Curry sa Under Armour, no? Wisit yun, no? Pinag-ipunan ko sa sobrang idol ko talaga Steph Curry, no? Siyempre Kobe Bryant muna, pero pangalawa Steph Curry, no? Yung then ayun, unang-una sa lahat, kaya ako binili sapatos na yun dahil po kay Steph Curry, no? Dahil kay Steph Curry, no? So siya kasi yung mukha, no? So trusted ko siya dahil Steph Curry is one of the greatest basketball player po talaga and the greatest shooter of all time po talaga ng basketball, no? And just like SB19, meron mga fan na bibili ako niyan kasi SB19 endorser, kaya tiwala ako dyan, no? So kung halimbawa masira yung pangalan ng SB19 or may mangyaring ganon, syempre sa mga posters, sa mga billboards, SB19 po yung mukha nila, mukhang nakaharap doon, no? So masira din yung pangalan nila, no? So I agree na sa mga ginawa po nung 18 or yung ibang mga fans po talaga na talagang nag-heads up po, no? Kasi masira rin po yung pangalan ng bukod sa concern sila sa SB19, concern din sila sa product na ine-endorse ng SB19 kasi gusto natin na umangat lahat ng ine-endorse lahat ng SB19. Pero so far guys, lahat naman ng ine-endorse ng SB19 is umaangat naman po talaga, no? Ayan, solid, napaka-solid. So ilang guys, napaka-solid ng mga ganitong klaseng usapan dahil alam mo yan, para maiba lang kasi usually mga topic ko is tungkol sa sayaw, tungkol po sa mga pag-perform na, pero minsan gusto ko rin mag-discuss ng mga ganitong topic na alam mo yun, maging informative din po sa inyo kahit papano, no? So yun na guys, maraming salamat sa panonood netong video na to, no? And kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring na notification bell para alam nyo po pag ako nag-release ng bagong video. So this is me, Point of Ed, signing out. Peace. Let's G.